Ever wished you could turn back the clock and feel as vibrant as you did in your prime? Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural ingredient hiding in your kitchen that could be the key to a better, happier life as you grow older? Well, today, we're going to unlock the answers to these questions and more. We're delving into the world of a kitchen superhero, a spice that holds incredible powers to transform your health after 50. So, if you're curious, intrigued, or just looking for a practical way to improve your well-being, you're in the right place. Stay with us and let's uncover the remarkable health benefits of cloves from start to finish. Aging is a part of life, and with it comes a handful of changes. You might notice your energy dipping, your bones getting a bit creaky, and those health concerns starting to knock on your door. But no worries, because we've got cloves on our side. These little spice superheroes are here to make aging feel like a breeze. Let's unravel the incredible benefits of adding cloves to your daily routine. First up, let's talk about antioxidants. Cloves aren't just spices. They're like tiny capsules of antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal shield against free radicals, those rogue molecules that speed up aging and increase your risk of diseases. As we age, free radicals tend to throw a party in our bodies, and that's where cloves come in. They're packed with antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and give your heart some much-needed love. Surprisingly, cloves might also be your secret weapon in the battle against cancer. There's this compound called eugenol in cloves, and it's like a superhero in the making. Studies suggest that eugenol could stop the growth and spread of cancer cells. While more research is needed, adding cloves to your diet could be a simple yet effective way to lower your cancer risk. Bye-bye, stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers can be a real pain indeed. Well, but guess what? Cloves can offer you some much-needed relief. These little wonders boost the production of gastric mucus, a natural shield for your stomach lining. This mucus acts like your stomach's own armor, soothing those ulcer symptoms and speeding up the healing process. Now, let's give a shout out to your liver, your unsung hero. It works tirelessly to flush out toxins and keep you in tip-top shape. Cloves, with their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers, step in to help your liver in this noble mission. The same superhero compound, eugenol, that might fight cancer, is here to improve your liver function. Also, as we age, our bones might feel like they're losing their superpowers. They become weaker and more prone to fractures. But cloves come to the rescue with their manganese content. Manganese is like the builder your bones need, helping maintain bone mass and density. So, sprinkling some cloves into your daily routine can keep your bones strong and ready for action. Cloves regulate blood sugar. It's a bit like a roller coaster as we age, isn't it? Cloves have your back here too. Studies have shown that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Whether you're already dealing with diabetes or you're just looking out for yourself, cloves can be that trusty sidekick. Before you go all in on cloves, let's talk precautions. While cloves are like health superheroes, they might not suit everyone. Some folks could be allergic to them, so it's a wise move to do a skin patch test before you start using them. If you're on certain medications, like blood thinners or diabetes meds, it's essential to chat with your healthcare provider before introducing cloves into your diet. And a heads up, going overboard on cloves can lead to nausea, vomiting, or a not-so-pleasant rendezvous with the bathroom, so let's keep it in moderation. So, you're probably wondering how to sneak these magic cloves into your daily routine. The good news is there are countless delicious and enjoyable ways to make that happen. Whether you want to toss them into your meals, brew some clove tea, or get a little fancy with clove oil in your cooking and aromatherapy, there's something for everyone. If you've already started the clove journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, your thoughts, and any benefits you've noticed in the comments below. Your story might be the inspiration someone else who needs to step up their health game. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of cloves, especially for those of us who are embracing the wisdom that comes with age. Don't wait another day to start reaping the fantastic benefits of this superfood spice. We highly encourage you to add cloves to your daily routine. It's a small change that can make a huge difference in your life. Whether it's winter, flu season, or any time you need that extra health boost, cloves are here to lend a hand. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and let's make every day a Clover day.